Hello! So the first thing that we need to do to make our paper plate dinosaur is to get a paper plate. And if you don't have a paper plate, you can just use a piece of paper. First, if you do have a paper plate, you're going to cut it down the middle, just like this. To make a semicircle. If you don't have a paper plate, cut a piece of paper in the shape of this. Now that we have our body cut out, it's time to color it in. For this dinosaur, I'm going to be making a red and orange long neck dinosaur. This could be like a Diplodocus or a Bronchiosaurus. You could decorate it and color it however you would like. I'm going to have it be orange and red, so I'm going to have orange spots all over it, just like this. And I'm going to color all of those in orange, and then I'm going to color the rest of it this red color. So you can pause this video and color in your dinosaur body. Now that it's all colored in, we're going to put the body aside. Next, we're going to take a piece of paper. It could be construction paper or it could be plain white paper, and we're going to start drawing the tail, legs, and the head. First, we're going to start with the tail. Long neck dinosaurs have really long tails. So we're going to start off at the edge of the paper so we have a straight line to work with. We're going to make a long curved triangle shape, just like this. We're going to start up at the top again and bring it to a point, just like that. Next, we are going to draw the feet. Because we're seeing the dinosaur from its side, we only need to give it 2 feet. I like to give my long necks rounded feet just like this, with their little legs, just like that. The next thing that we're going to draw is the head and the neck. Because these are long necks, we need to give ourselves a lot of space. So I'm going to start it all the way up here in between the tail and the feet. So to start off making the head, I'm going to start off with a semicircle just like this. Then I'm going to add another semicircle right on top, just like that. And now it's time for the long neck. So from the bottom of the nose, we're going to draw a long line to the corner of our paper, just like that. Then from the top of the head up here, we're going to follow that same line, just like that. Now it's time to cut. Time to cut our dinosaur. So cut the tail, the 2 legs, and the head out carefully and come back for the neck. Now that we have the head, the 2 legs, and the tail cut out, it's time to glue it onto the body. I found that using a glue stick works best. So grab the body, and first we're going to start off with the tail. Make sure that the rounded part of your plate is upwards. So you're going to grab your tail, and you're going to put glue right on the edge where it's flat, and the straight side. Then you're going to put the tail behind the dinosaur body and hold it there, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now it's time to glue on the legs. We're going to put them on the bottom of the straight side. So again, you're going to put a little glue right on the straight side and put it right underneath your dinosaur, and you can push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Same thing with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little longer for that one. Then with your head, you're going to put it wherever you would like, but I like to put my head and my neck just like that. kind of at the 45-degree angle, just like that. So the same thing, I'm going to put some glue right down here, put it behind your dinosaur body, and hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now it's time to draw on the face. So I like to use my black and white crayons. So for the eye, we're going to start off with a bigger white circle, just like this. And then we're going to put in a smaller black circle to finish off the eye. Then we have to add the mouth, so I'm going to make it a happy dinosaur by putting a smiley face on it, just like that. Now you can leave it just like this, or you could add spikes using your construction paper to the top, or adding designs on the tail and the neck. Here's my long neck dinosaur. I want to see yours, so take a picture of it and post it on Seesaw. Good work!